Ingredients for cooking ginataang tilapia. Tomato, ginger, onion, garlic, lettuce, tilapia fish, and coconut milk. How to cook ginataang tilapia? First, you need to cook first the coconut milk powder. Okay, next, if it's cooked already, put the ingredients. Tomato, then ginger, then onions, and garlic. Yan. Okay. Cook first and leave for 3 minutes. The coconut is already cooked, and then the ingredients, you need to put the tilapia fish. Okay, and then put the, if you have green sili, you can, but we don't have, so it's okay. I have already ginger, magic sarap, and then black pepper, and then patis. If you don't have, salt. Okay, so leave for 5 minutes. The fish is already cooked, so we will put the lettuce. Then we will leave for 3 minutes. Now it's cooked already. It's ready to serve. Ginataang tilapia. This is our lunch. Ginataang tilapia. Ayan na guys. Kung gusto magpaluto dyan, message nyo lang ako. Lulutuan ko kayo. Today I will cook ginataang tulingan. This is easy and fast cooking tulingan na ginataan. Ang gagawin natin, lahat ng onions, ginger, bawang, vinegar, tsaka yung tulingan, pag-isay natin sa kaserola. And then, mix all together. Tapos, paksiwin muna natin, guys, para matanggal yung lansa ng tulingan. Tsaka, ano ba kasing tulingan makati pag kinain. I will add also 1 teaspoon of oil and then half cup of water. I will add salt. I will put half cup of water. Paksiwin muna natin yung tulingan. Ayan na guys, so, luto na yung paksiw. So, let it dry para pag nilagay mo yung gata, masarap, siksik yung mga ingredients doon sa tulingan. Malasa. Sarap. Ano. I will add black pepper. Black pepper. Malapit na siyang madry. So, we will put later the coconut milk. See? Yan, tulingan. Yan guys, dry na siya. Luto na. So, I will add now the coconut milk. Yan guys, so I will put 1 can of coconut milk. I will wait until 5 minutes to boil. So let's see. So let's go there. Let's wait until 5 minutes. Yan, kumukulo na guys. Yummy. So I will not put the vegetables because the coconut milk is still not yet cooked. So let's wait until 2 minutes more. But it's yummy. Yummy, yummy. Ginataang tulingan. Creamy. Ginataang tulingan. Yan. Malapit na siyang maluto. I have sitaw or string beans. I will add this to the tulingan. I will wait until 5 minutes to boil. Then you cover it. So wait until 5 minutes. Okay, let's see. Maybe the string beans already cooked. There. So let's cook already the string beans. Next, I will add the choy. So choy. Let's wait also until 5 minutes. I will cover. So let's wait until 5 minutes. That's that. Yummy! Luto na. Tulingan. Ginataang tulingan. Yummy.